We have an outside area. Hagrid's hut. It's kind of chilly outside, but I've got my Gryffindor rope on, so that's good.
Sit on it for 1 minute. つまりな、ハリー。魔法使いにはマルフォー一家みたいに自分たちは純潔だから偉いって思い込んでるやつなんだ。
Might have to take a picture there with the car, so I'll be back in a moment. Alright guys, we got an area over here where you can get some butterbeer. Let me show you. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here outside. Let's have a look. So this is the butterbeer section. We got a bus over there. You guys know the double-decker in London? We got a triple-decker over here. I don't think I've ever seen that before. 3 decks. We got the house. I think there's also like a restaurant section over there. You can get some food. Not really hungry, so I'm not gonna check that out. Probably also a small chance they have anything I can eat, so. Guys, I don't know if these are the Peninsula guards, but man, if you play Hogwarts Legacy, you know those guards were difficult. They were very tough to defeat. Let's have a look up here. Not very much to see here. So I think we'll just continue with the tour. Go back inside because it's freezing. So there's a line to go, like a queue to go inside the house. Not exactly sure what you can see, but we're here anyway, so let's have a look. Let's have a look. Ba, 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 ba. That's not an actual song, but I'm just yapping.